I'll loosen it down low, which I think's a 12 mil. Grab all three just in case. Loosen the clutch down here. Should be a 12 mil. Yeah, it's a 12 mil. That should be enough. Nope. Pop it right out, get it real loose. There we go. Probably doing something I shouldn't, because I'm gonna end up breaking the stock clutch lever. So 12 mil for the lower, 8 mil for the perch, and then this clamp, if you spin it, push down on the tab, pull, that's for the safety. Then you can take the bolt out the rest of the way, the 8 mil. Pull that all the way out. And then I'm going to do something you probably shouldn't do if you ever want to reuse the stock one again. And that's pry it apart. If it doesn't break it before it gets off. Yeah, I think it just did. Yep. Cheap ass metal. I do recommend just taking it off the right way, but like I said, I don't feel like buying new shit. I've already spent enough money. Need a smaller screwdriver. Don't recommend using your good screwdrivers for this either. It's a pry bar or something. And that's off. So now if I can't get the safety switch fixed, or I'm gonna have to jump it or something, maybe tape this fucking down and take this right off and just plug it in. But I guess I'll install the clutch lever first, I guess, since I took that off. I wasn't planning on doing that. I was gonna do it the right way, but I don't feel like waiting or buying grips. Clutch lever from what is that? Needs a 5 mil for the perch clamp, back one almost all the way out and then take the other one all the way out. Should be simple as pop over. That's kind of a big gap. I'm gonna get this snug. It's about right. I'm gonna have it up a little more because I know when I mount the brake it's gonna be down more, so I don't want it too far where I'm reaching. Oh, there's 2 holes. I'm guessing. I didn't read the instructions, like always, like, you know. I'm guessing the bottom hole though, or the one farther in, is the easiest, like makes it easier. So we're gonna go for that one first. Yep, alright. Spin that. We're gonna put that in there, back that up. Hopefully it goes right in. It's not wanting to, but I'm gonna make it. Nah, there it goes. I don't want to fuck with the adjustment too much, but I still am gonna have to adjust it a little because this should be pulled taut a little more. Um, 12. So that should be I've made videos in the past how to do this too, on the first gen MT09. That feels good. So yeah, that's the clutch. 12 mil wrench and 5 mil Allen for RSC. I believe this is a single finger. It's got the little J hook thing, which feels real good. Not sitting on the bike, but we'll see how easy it is. Should have tried both. Seems real fucking easy. Tighten these up a little more. Make sure they're snug. Alright, now for the brake.